I just mixed two common chemicals that you definitely have in your home. Behind that door, a gas is forming that was used as a deadly weapon during World War I. And the worst part? Thousands of people make this dangerous mistake every day while cleaning because someone recommended it as a super trick for perfect cleanliness. Did you know that over 4,000 people ended up in emergency rooms last year due to poisoning from cleaning product fumes? I'll show you 3 deadly combinations of cleaning products you should never mix, and what to do if you accidentally did. This video is for educational purposes only. Do not attempt these experiments at home. That combination I just hinted at? Chlorine-based bleach and ordinary vinegar? There are countless great tips circulating online about creating a super strong cleaner by mixing these two. The truth is, you could be creating your own chemical weapon. When you mix bleach containing sodium hypochlorite with vinegar, chlorine gas is produced. This gas was actually used as a chemical weapon during World War I and killed thousands of soldiers. Even in small amounts, it can cause eye and respiratory tract irritation, breathing difficulties, coughing and choking, lung damage at high concentrations. In extreme cases, it can be fatal. Now imagine creating this gas in a small bathroom without proper ventilation. Instead, use these cleaning products separately. If you need a stronger cleaner, use them in sequence. First one, thorough rinsing, and then the other. Another combination that could end with a call to emergency services is bleach and products containing ammonia. And be careful. Ammonia isn't just that chemical with the pungent smell. You'll find it in many glass cleaners and some bathroom cleaners without even knowing it. This combination creates chloramines, which can cause severe irritation of mucous membranes, chest pain, nausea, and respiratory problems. Risk of respiratory tract damage. Always read the product's ingredients. If it contains ammonia, never use it with bleach or other products containing chlorine. This last combination comes straight from the category of viral DIY tips that could send you to the hospital. Hydrogen peroxide and vinegar are often recommended in eco-cleaning recipes online, but the result is anything but eco-friendly. Hydrogen peroxide and vinegar together create peracetic acid, which can cause severe skin and mucous membrane irritation, corneal damage, serious burns, and respiratory tract damage. This acid is used in industry as a disinfectant, but under proper conditions and concentrations. Home mixing is unpredictable and dangerous. Now imagine you've accidentally mixed some of these substances. How do you know there's a problem? And it's not just a slightly pungent smell. These are the symptoms to watch out for: burning eyes, nose and throat, coughing and breathing difficulties, nausea, headache and dizziness. What to do if this happens? Immediately leave the area, ventilate the room, open all windows and doors, breathe fresh air, and for serious symptoms, call emergency services. Inform medical professionals which chemicals were mixed. Remember, cleaning products are chemicals designed for specific uses. Mixing them can not only render them ineffective, but create dangerous substances. Always read labels and warnings on products. Never mix different cleaning products, use them according to instructions, and when in doubt, look up information. Safety always comes first.